Hey, 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 welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Happy Sunday, y'all. Hope you are having a perfect morning and you are relaxing with a nice cup of coffee or tea and getting your day started. I am cleaning Tyler's bedroom today as well as our hall bathroom. So my husband is working a different shift than me right now, so he has been sleeping in Tyler's room so that I don't wake him up whenever I get up in the morning. So that's why this room, I've been cleaning it so much. Whenever he works the same shift as I do, day shift, then obviously we are up at the same times and we're sleeping in the same bed. And this room definitely does not have to get cleaned very much. So I thought I'd better explain that because I'm not sure if I've done that before or not. So Tyler does not live with us. He is out on his own, but this room we are using now that Ray's on a different shift for a little while.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah.
So funny story. Do you guys see those little crank handles to open the window? I almost knocked myself. I almost knocked myself out. I was coming up from dusting the baseboard and I like bang into that thing. I'm like, oh my gosh, am I going to pass out on film? Who knew cleaning was like a hazard? So be careful if you're dusting and you come up too fast that you don't crack your head like I did.
Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah.
Let me know in the description box below what you guys have going on today. As far as me, I am filming this on a Saturday, but you are seeing this on a Sunday. So for my Sunday, I'm going to go to church, and then I've got some editing that I need to do, and some cleaning that I need to do, and we'll probably make dinner. So nothing too exciting, pretty low key, but definitely planning to find some time to relax.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heart be raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I was totally roasting while I was cleaning. Tyler's room and this bathroom are the warmest rooms in our house. And I was like, oh my goodness, there needs to be like an aerobic workout that goes through cleaning movements because I'm telling you, I'm getting a workout, which you guys are helping me keep my house clean and burn some calories.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while, the words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected, it's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated, sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me when I'm stuck here on planet X. I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space.
As I'm finishing up with this bathroom, we're coming to the end of today's video. Wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for hanging out with me today and helping me stay motivated to get my house cleaned up room by room. I cannot believe it. I know I already said it once, y'all, but I cannot believe it that we're almost done doing this. I hope that you guys have an amazing Sunday. And don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys on Tuesday.